What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of What to Open Next. I'm your host, John Parker. Alrighty, guys. So here we have Magic the Gathering, March of the Machine. We have 3 set boosters we're going to open up in this video, guys. 12 cards in each one. Alrighty. What do you guys think? Huh? What do you guys think? We're going to pull some really good stuff today. Do ya? You guys, anybody know about this set? It's from 2021. Whoops. I thought it said 1. Sorry. 2023. Yes, it's a 2023. Oh, yeah. It was just the beginning of the year. Came out. Yep. Here we go, guys. Gonna have March of the Machine. We're opening some packs. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. Well, I thought I was ready. There we go. I'm like, I thought I was ready. It ain't coming open, though. Come on now. Open, ya crazy bludger. Alright. Hey, it even opened up backwards. Whoop. Oh, an art card. Wow. Is it upside down? Dude, it's got an SM on there. Dude. That looks cool. That looks so cool, guys. Can you see that? That is cool. I wonder what this is. The March of the Machines art series, number 65 out of 81. Okay, so we got that one. Alright, now I guess we are the opposite direction. So here's this thing, and it's a spirit token creature. There you go. They must have put that in backwards. I have no idea. We got Infected Defector. That's cool. It's a creature, Phyrexian Knight. That is cool. Alright, next one. Oh, a sideways card. Look at that. Invasion of Archivist. Has anyone seen side cards? I don't know. I think that's my first official card sideways that I've seen. That's cool. That is cool, guys. Alright. What's the next one? The next one is Jury Master of the Review. Legendary creature. Human Shaman. Okay, next one is a Renata Called to the Hunt. Legendary enchantment creature, Demigod. There you go. Sweet. Oh, another sideways. Look at this. The Invasion of a Monket. So with this being a 2023 set, is this the first set that's actually having cards sideways? Because, like I said, this is my first time seeing sideways cards. Okay, next one is Skyclave Aerialist. Creature, Merfolk Scout. Sweet. Alright, next one is a Corruption of Tawashi. Enchantment. Next one is Tangled Skyline. Enchantment. Next one is Coming in Hot. Instant. Rouse Reinforcements. Sorcery. Got Preening Champion. Creature Bird Knight. And Island. That's a cool looking island. Alright, next one. Next pack. We are going to the next pack. Here we go. Pack number 2. There we go. A little quick band-aid. So here's another artwork for everybody. That's cool. Oh, what we got? What's it say? 40 out of 81. Alright. Here. Oh, it's a mini game, Booster Blitz. In case you guys want to play that. Okay, and then on the other side. Oh, it's a spirit. Token creature spirit. It has flying. Next, Brima's Blight of Orexcos. Ooh, it's a mythic. Legendary creature. Phyrexian cat. That's nice. My goodness, guys. Look at this card. Woo! That's nice. I could stare at this one all day. My goodness. But we're not going to. Gotta go to the next one. Got a grafted butcher creature. Phyrexian samurai. Oh, Luris of the Dream Den. Dang, this is nice art right here. Legendary creature cat nightmare. That's cool. What do you guys think of this pack so far? My goodness. Oh, it got a sideways. Invasion of Mercadia. Battle Siege. Next one. Aetherblade Agent. Creature. Human rogue. Collective Nightmare. Instant. Stoke the Flames. Instant. We got Alabaster Host Intercessor. Creature. Phyrexian Samurai. Furnace Host Charger. Creature. Phyrexian Giant. Etched Host Doombringer. Creature. Phyrexian Demon. Onake Javelinier. Creature. Ogre Spirit. And we have Island. Island again. Alright. Last pack of the video. Here we go. Alrighty, guys. How is everyone? I hope you are doing awesome. Because I am doing great. Appreciate you guys being here, stopping by, having a good time. Not sure which way this goes. We can find out in a second, maybe? Let's see. It's upside down. So 68 out of 81. And then there we go. Silly me. Tricks are for kids. Alrighty. So there you go. Cool. That is pretty cool. Alright. Now to the front. Oh, we got a Phyrexian Emmer. Token artifact creature. It's an interesting one. And we got Meeting of Minds. Instant. Next one we got Deep Root Wayfinder. Deep Root. I am Root. Creature. Merfolk Scout. Next one is a Rayav Master Smith. Legendary creature, Dwarf Artificer. Cute. Alright, next one is Saidar Jabari of Zoffer. Legendary creature, Human Knight. It's our mythic in the pack. Nice, we got a mythic in the pack. Alrighty. We did it. And oh, sideways. Invasion of Kaladesh. Next one. Oh, another one. Invasion of New Capena. Battle Siege. Alright. Next. Herbology Instructor. Yay! It would be awesome if they make a Harry Potter set like they did with Lord of the Rings. Because Herbology Instructor, what other name would you use for a card? The Creature Treefolk Druid. That would be awesome. Merciless Repurposing. Instant. Okay, next one. Lithomantic Barrage. Sorcery. Ooh, this spell can't be countered. Nice. It's like, don't do it. Don't you do it. We got Gloomfang Mauler. Creature Nightmare. Yep, definitely a Creature Nightmare right there. My goodness. That'd be like another Harry Potter card. Tidal Terror. Creature Octopus. And we're getting down to the last cards. Last one, I think. Yep, Island. And this one's a foil. That's cool. So we've gotten islands in all three, but this one's foil. That's cool. Alrighty, guys. As always, thank you very much. I hope you have a great day. Like, subscribe, help answer the question, what to open next. Stay hydrated. Definitely, I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned for more stuff, more packs, more cards, more awesome things. And I'll see you later. Can't thank you guys enough. I really appreciate you stopping by. Have a good one. I'll see you guys later.